So today we are visiting this property which is near the town of qu'à, Plounévézel in Finistère. It's currently a 3-bed property. It also has a study downstairs which could be a 4th bedroom. It has open plan living. Heating is a pellet burner and electric. It has a shower room downstairs with a toilet, and upstairs you've got a partial renovated bathroom. It also has a detached hangar and a greenhouse. The property is over 3 floors, which has a sous-sol and a garage underneath. So I'll show you inside. So it has a nice decked terraced area, which is great for entertaining, and it has a seating area just here. You're in a quiet hamlet as well. There's just a few neighbours. You've probably got about 5 or 6 neighbours close by. You have dining area. And there's a pellet burner and electric heating. You have large patio windows that let lots of light in, and a view of the fields outside. Kitchen area. There's an induction hob. And then from here, off here, you have a bedroom. There's bathroom. Which has a double sink and a shower. There is a separate toilet. There's study, or it could be an additional bedroom. And this overlooks the front of the property. So upstairs you have 2 further bedrooms, some attic space and a bathroom that's been partially renovated. So this is the first bedroom. Again, it's got a large bed in here. So it could easily take a king size, probably 2 singles. You've got a large landing area with a bathroom that's been partially renovated. The second bedroom upstairs. Again, it's a good size. Also, you have a gated entrance and a nice long driveway, which you can probably fit about 6 cars on here. easily. The hangout over there and the greenhouse is a good practical space too to store your garden equipment. I'll just show you to the rear of the property. The property is on a septic system too. And this is the rear. Again, it just overlooks fields to the rear. The roof looks in good condition too. So further details on this property will be in the description below. I do have a 360 tour which can show you the floor plan of the house and also the sous-sol. Okay, thank you.